Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my version of vegan sambusas. Sambusas are the perfect appetizer or side dish with Indian or African food, and they're one of our favorite appetizers ever. So with that being said, let's get started. In a pan over medium heat, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil along with 1 yellow onion diced. We're also going to add in half of a bell pepper, and I would usually use green bell pepper for this, but this is all I had in my fridge, so this is what I'm using. Add half of a serrano pepper diced, and saute this mixture for about 5 minutes or until everything is nice and sweated out. Next, we're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic minced and cook for 1 minute longer. Now we're going to add in 1 heaping cup of brown or green lentils. Do not try to replace these with red lentils because you will not get the same result. Next, we're going to add in 1 handful of cilantro chopped, along with 3 scallions chopped. And we're going to cook this for 1 minute longer. And now we're going to add in our spices. Ground cardamom, ground cumin, and ground coriander. Also going to add in pepper, and salt. Mix that well, and this is what your finished filling will look like. Put your filling into a smaller bowl or container. For this next step, we're going to need melted vegan butter and phyllo dough. You can find phyllo dough in any freezer section of a grocery store. Carefully lay down 1 sheet of phyllo dough and liberally brush it with vegan butter. Be very gentle as these break and rip very easily. Carefully lay down another slice of phyllo dough and repeat with the vegan butter. Also, make sure to keep your other slices that you're not working on covered so that they do not dry out. With a pizza cutter, we're going to cut our dough in half, and we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of filling on the edges. To fold, we're going to take the top right to the bottom left, and then we're going to fold it over itself again, and we're going to keep folding until we get cute little triangles. And if need be, add a little butter to the edges to seal the folds. Watch once again. top right to bottom left to create a cone. Then fold to create a triangle, and keep folding over itself to fold the edges. Once all of your sambusas are folded, we're going to brush the tops with, you guessed it, more butter. Next, bake these for 16 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through. Serve hot with chili sauce or chutney for the perfect appetizer or side dish. Enjoy.